Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is September 26, 2024, and we're diving into the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. PayPal is expanding its cryptocurrency services to US business accounts, allowing them to buy, hold, and sell digital currencies directly from their accounts. This new feature, however, won't be available in New York State at launch. The move is in response to growing demand from business owners who want the same crypto capabilities that consumers have enjoyed since 2020. Alongside these features, PayPal will enable merchants to transfer cryptocurrency to third-party wallets. Jose Fernandez de Ponte, PayPal's Senior VP of Blockchain, highlighted the company's dedication to enhancing crypto utility for merchants. This expansion follows PayPal's previous initiatives, including the launch of its stablecoin, PayPal USD, and its integration into the Zoom platform for fee-free transfers. Visa is making strides in the crypto sector with a new platform designed to help banks test tokenized assets and smart contracts. This initiative includes a tokenized asset sandbox already utilized by Spain's Banco Bilbao Vizcaya Argentaria. Visa's efforts aim to enhance global banks' operations in the evolving financial landscape, especially as tokenization gains traction. Coy Sheffield, Visa's crypto head, emphasized the importance of regulated issuance of fiat-backed tokens on blockchains, which could open new avenues for banks and their customers in on-chain capital markets. Zora has launched a mobile app to revolutionize content monetization on social media. The app allows creators to earn money every time their posts are liked and enables seamless content and follower graph transfer across platforms. Zora positions itself as a creator-first alternative to traditional social media, providing an easy on-ramp to cryptocurrency for users with no prior experience. Meanwhile, Privy has introduced a new integration with Telegram, simplifying account and wallet creation to just one step, enhancing user experience in the crypto space. Sui is emerging as a leading Layer 1 blockchain, boasting significant milestones since its mainnet launch a year ago. With a total value locked of approximately $800 million, it ranks second among non-EVM blockchains. Sui's unique technology separates transaction ordering from consensus, reducing transaction latency significantly. The blockchain's programming language, Move, introduces an innovative object-based model, allowing tokens to own other tokens. Sui is also making strides in the gaming sector, with the launch of over 2,000 Sui Play devices, showcasing its commitment to building a gaming ecosystem. Elf Labs is offering an investment opportunity, focusing on monetizing a $2 trillion market by merging patented technology with iconic characters from classic stories, particularly Disney's. The company has a share price of $2 with a minimum investment of $732 and is providing bonus shares for larger investments. Elf Labs has secured over 100 trademark victories and holds more than 400 international copyrights, allowing them to create immersive experiences with beloved characters like Snow White and Cinderella. Their innovative technology includes AI-powered interactive toys and augmented reality experiences. An article discusses allegations that the Biden administration intentionally undermined Silvergate Bank, a key player in the US crypto industry, leading to its collapse and contributing to a broader banking crisis in 2023. Silvergate faced significant regulatory pressure, including an informal mandate to limit its crypto deposits. Despite claims of wrongdoing, no criminal charges were filed against Silvergate. The article suggests that the regulatory crackdown was part of a broader initiative aimed at stifling the crypto industry. Andre Cronje announced the upcoming launch of Sonic, a new blockchain platform set to go live in December 2024. The platform promises benefits like to 90% gas rebates for protocols, high throughput, and a native stablecoin. Sonic will also provide a secure gateway to Ethereum and offer grants through its Sonic Boom initiative. A substantial airdrop of 200 million tokens is planned for participants. Sports Illustrated and Consensus have launched Box Office, a self-service NFT ticketing solution on the Polygon blockchain. This platform aims to provide a comprehensive tool for event owners to create, manage, and promote live events efficiently. The Super Ticket feature will connect hosts directly with attendees, and the pricing is touted to be 50% lower than competitors. This initiative represents a significant step in integrating NFTs into the live event ticketing industry. The evolution of cryptocurrency wallets is highlighted, with traditional seed phrases and private keys becoming obsolete. Early wallets like MetaMask are criticized for their cumbersome user experience. A new generation of wallets, such as @UseCapsule, aims to combine seamless onboarding with composability, allowing users to create wallets using Web2 credentials and utilize them across multiple applications. This innovation incorporates passkeys, replacing passwords with biometric authentication. Hamster Kombat has unveiled its development roadmap ahead of a token airdrop. The team plans to implement token buybacks using advertising revenue and launch Season 2 of their tap-to-earn game on Telegram. This new season will integrate NFTs as in-game assets and is expected to launch in November. The airdrop is notable, with over 300 million sign-ups, but only 131 million players qualifying for tokens. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more news from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay ahead.